In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove and replace the EGR valve, or exhaust gas recirculation valve, on a 1997 Ford F-150. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service method to unhook your EGR valve from the EGR piping and the vacuum lines associated with this operation. There are two things we have to disconnect in order to service our EGR valve. What we have is the control line from our solenoid. That's just a vacuum line that goes onto a steel nipple right here. You're going to want to give it a couple twists in order to break the rubber grip loose from the steel nipple and slide it off. Just like so. The second connector we have to take loose is the actual pipe that the exhaust gas runs through from further down the system back into the intake manifold. It's that big nut right there. I have my large crescent wrench here. Use that to break it loose. Right there. The trouble with exhaust system components is that they're normally corroded. As you can see, I've put several turns on this fitting and it's still not free enough to take out by hand. So just be patient and stick to it and you'll get it out. Let's give her another whirl here. All right, you can see I have the fitting broke free. That is the proper way to unhook your EGR valve from the rest of the engine systems.